Academic advisors are here to help you navigate your educational journey by interpreting test scores and transfer credits, creating education plans that walk you through all of the courses you need for your degree, and connecting you with resources throughout campus and the community to help you be successful. They offer limited walk-in hours all year long for quick questions and are always available via email. You can also schedule an appointment to sit down with your advisor, either in person or over the phone, to get the help you need. In order to schedule an appointment, visit the Students tab at www.estrellamountain.edu and click Advisement. From here, click on the self-service link on the left and choose the EMCC Advisement link to find our scheduling page. Then, locate your major or pathway and click the purple Schedule an Appointment with an Advisor button. This will open our scheduling app, Cranium Cafe, and you can sign in with your MEID and password to access their calendar. You will be able to select the advisor you want to see if you have a preference, the reason you are meeting with your advisor, the type of meeting that you're requesting, usually by telephone or in person, and the next available date and time. If there are no dates or times available that work with your schedule, you can scroll through future weeks at the top of the page. Keep in mind that advisor calendars fill up quickly, especially around the start of each semester, so it's best to book early. However, new dates are added weekly, so keep checking back to get your preferred slot.